What's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making DIY, easy, fun birthday decorations. My mom's birthday is this Saturday, which is actually tomorrow, but I'm filming this late. I decided, since we've been having like the boring old same decorations for like the last 5 years, it is time to make some new ones. And of course I'm gonna film and show you guys how I did it. Just making the birthday a little more special. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and watch this video in 180 HD. It's in your settings, makes it a whole lot better. Let's get started. So what better way to start off by making mini DIY tassel garland. Sorry, I forgot the name for a second. You're just gonna take a piece of string and lay it across your hand, and then just wind a bunch of other string or yarn around it. If you want to make it a little bigger, I suppose you could extend your fingers out a little, and then you're just going to tie it all together with that piece of string. I just did it twice for safety measures because I don't really want it to come unraveling everywhere, if you know what I mean. So yeah, just make sure all the strings are aligned and good to go before you take some scissors and then just cut the bottoms so that it kind of frays out like this. It's a little scraggly now, but in a sec I'm gonna take a piece of string and just tie it around there towards the top to kind of create that bulb of the tassel, and then just twist the bottoms a little and trim them off to however you like, and there we go. I'm just gonna set them aside for now. Quick, I want to discuss the game plan because it's important. I have two choices. Since my mom's birthday is tomorrow, Saturday, I can either A, stay up really late tonight and try to do all the decorations quietly, or get up super early tomorrow morning. Either way, prepare for the bad trashy lighting. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Alright, so next I am going to do a watercolor banner sort of situation. So I took a thicker piece of paper and just watercolored whatever onto it, and then just cut it up into pieces, took a pen, and then just traced all the letters of happy birthday, which I'm later going to blue tape up. Super simple. Okay, as to where I've been stashing all of these decorations, the answer is the closet. I mean, it's pretty obvious, but like I don't know where else to stash it. But I probably need to change location soon because it's a little too easy to like find stuff in there. And my mom has actually walked in there multiple times during the week, so it's given me like heart attacks. So messy. To hang up on our lights, I'm going to make some DIY pom-poms, and I'm making mini ones, but you could also make bigger ones. Essentially, you just take little squares of tissue paper and kind of accordion fold it like this, take a piece of string, and then basically just tie it around the center. I think I used like 8 squares of tissue paper, but you can use however many you want. Then after that, you just like kind of extend each of the flaps, I don't know if that makes any sense, and just separate all the layers and just keep fluffing until it looks like a little ball. And I'm just gonna make 4 of these and hang them up. So yeah. And now for the part that I'm so excited about, the YouTuber shoutout. This was so hard to decide. I mean, so many of you guys left so many nice comments in my latest video, and I have decision problems, so it was an issue.
Okay, I could do her, or her, or her, or him, or her, or her. Okay, Caitlin, make a decision.
So, today, the shout out goes to Macy Jade. Macy left some really fun, genuine comments for me. That's why I decided to pick her, and her channel is freaking amazing. It's so aesthetic, and it does lifestyle videos and also a few tips videos. Her recent video was so funny. It was like nostalgic things only 2000s kids will understand, and I am a 2000s kid, so it was very relatable. So yeah, I will leave the description. Not the description. Why do I always confuse description, channel, video? Those are 3 words I always confuse when I like say them. I'm gonna leave the link to her channel below in the description box. I did it. Excuse my awkwardness, please.